Here's one way to make sure that when your students click your Bitmoji Classroom, they are taken to presentation mode automatically instead of edit mode automatically. If I just go, wrong one, if I just click the right tab and I click share and then get link, copy link, it will give me this link that will let it be editable. And the absolute last thing I want is for my kids to be able to edit my presentation. Not a good idea. So instead, when I put it as a link, I'm going to take out the edit at the end and put in the word present. And instead, it will open in present mode. So they can just click all the things. To show you what I mean, let me edit my page and do a little dance while it loads. If I select this and look at the link, you can see that at the end it has slash and then present. So it's going to go into present mode. If I check this link, it's going to have edit and share at the end. Edit USP equals sharing, which basically means you'll be sad. That's what it means. You'll be sad because your kids will be able to edit all your work, and you don't want that. So add /present at the end of your links, and that is one way. There's more than one way, but that is one way to automatically send your kids to present mode.